Hey guys! So we got invited to the VinFast Roadshow here in Marikina. And right away, I was greeted by their stunning lineup of fully electric cars. Kaya tara, samahan niyo ako mag-explore for the first time ng electric vehicles. First up, the VinFast VF3, a compact all-electric mini SUV designed for city driving with a surprisingly roomy cabin despite its size, perfect for urban commutes. Then the VinFast VF6, which we later got to ride. This stylish crossover blends modern tech, comfort, and a smooth electric drive that's silent yet powerful. And the VinFast VF7, a sleek sportier SUV with bold design lines and advanced driver assist features, built for those who want both styles and performance. Pagkatapos namin i-check lahat, ready na kami for something exciting, isang 19-car pure electric convoy around the city. In my experience, ang sarap sakyan ng VF6. Premium ang feel sa loob, may clean digital dashboard at comfy seats. Instant ang hata kaya effortless ang acceleration. Plus, may regenerative braking para tipid sa kuryente at ang pinakapanalo, zero engine noise. Pure smooth electric driving para kang future driver na di na kailangan ng gas station.
At ang sound system nila,
We're going up, 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 it's our moment. You know, together we're glowing. Gotta be golden.
ang ganda, perfect na perfect for carpool karaoke. After testing the cars, dumaan din kami sa iba't ibang booths nila. May free ice cream para pampalamig, tapos may claw machine. At ang swerte ko kasi nakakuha ko ng dalawang super cute plushies for the first time. Pero ang pinaka-favorite namin, may pa-coffee. Perfect ending habang nag-chill after a fun day with VinFast. What a fun day experience with VinFast. Kayo, ano ang masasabi niyo sa electric cars na nandito sa Pilipinas? Comment down below.